Hello YouTube. In this video I'll be showing you how to get these twisted faux locks on my son's hair, so if you're interested just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're gonna hop right into it. This is my son. He showed me this style on TikTok that he really wanted to try, and so I told him why not, we can just go ahead and do it. So for this style, we're going to start off with some blow-dried hair. His hair actually tends to shrink whenever it's in its natural state. So now we're done blow-drying it because he likes all his length to show whenever he gets a style done. So the products I'll be using is a rat tail comb for the parts. I'll also be using some shining jam to hold the style in place because this is going to be a stiffer style. So I am going to just go ahead and start by parting his hair off in the back. I am going to take the shining jam as usual and put that in the parts. Once I have it on the part, I am going to go back over it with the comb to make that part more precise. After I get the part the way that I want it, I am going to put more shining jam on his hair. Putting the shining jam on his hair is actually going to lock in this style. This style is supposed to look like dreadlocks, and so the shining jam is the perfect product for that. So what I'll do is take a decent sized part and split it down the middle, and then I'll take 1/2 of that and kind of flat twist it all the way down and continue to roll that in a circular motion to where it looks like a dreadlock. Then I repeat that process on the other side where I'll flat twist it again and just keep twisting it all the way down to where it's in like a kind of like a coil a little bit. Then I'll take those and twist those like a 2-strand twist. So this is what the back section looks like once it is done. So when you do this style, you want to make sure that you twist the hair in a certain way when you are doing the faux lock. So to do the faux lock, I actually start by doing a flat twist, and I twist that section of hair toward the right since I am right-handed, and I keep twisting all the way down to the end of the hair to create that lock look. And then I repeat that same process for the other side of the hair by twisting it toward the right and keep on, just twisting it all the way down till I get that lock look. After I am done with that, I take both of those tails and twist those toward the left. And you want to make sure to get that rope look that you twist the 2-strand in the opposite direction. If you don't, it kind of looks muddy and not neat. And I'm gonna pop a picture in here to show y'all what it looked like when I was doing my trial run. But if you take a look at the picture, you can tell the difference between the 2 strands. When you twist those 2 strands in the same direction of the hair that you've already twisted, it actually unravels the faux locks that you made. So I'm telling y'all, twisting the 2-strand in the opposite direction is the best way to do it. Trust me on this. Another thing I want to point out when doing this style is you want to make sure that when you are completing the twist, make sure that the foundation that you have is very neat and strong, because when you do end up 2-stranding those little tails that you make, you want to make sure that you still have that form there. If you don't, then it's kind of just going to look like a mess a little bit. Also, if the foundation isn't strong, when you start 2-strand twisting those faux locks that you made, the scalp part is going to lift, and that doesn't look neat. I mean, these are supposed to look like dreadlocks, so you want to try to make it look like it has dreadlocks. So now that I'm done with the back, I am going to start working on the side. My son does like for his hair to frame his face. So we're going to have 2 sections on the side that's going to go toward his ears. And then as always, he likes for the middle section to go toward his face. So that's how we're going to do the rest of this hair. So let me know down below in the comments if you've ever seen this style before. My son really wants dreads, but I'm not ready for him to do that right now. I do think this style is a good alternative to having dreadlocks, especially if you're not fully ready to commit to them. I am going to link the inspiration video that we saw on TikTok down below if anyone wants to see it for reference purposes. But yeah, let me know down below what y'all think of this style. So as I stated earlier, my son does like for the front of his hair to go toward his forehead. I really do not know why he likes that, but he says it just looks better that way, so I do it that way. But I definitely had to get creative with how I did the twist on the side, because he did want the style to frame his face as well as the front to go on top of his forehead. So just make sure that whatever way you want the hair to lay, that you twist the hair in that direction so you have the hair the way you want it. I want to say thank y'all for all the support y'all have been giving me. Y'all have really been enjoying all of these men hair tutorials. I am going to link a playlist up above that includes all of my male hair tutorials. So if y'all are interested in that, please click that link up above and down below. Alright y'all, so we are finally done with the style. Hopefully it does look like twisted dreadlocks because that was the look that we were going for. Here is what the front of his head is looking like, and here is a 360 view of his hair. This style did take about 2.5 hours to complete, but most of that was because I had to start over. But yeah, this is the finished look, and I think that he likes it. Look at him. After the video, I did add rubber bands to the ends because I thought they would unravel, so that would be helpful for y'all to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Lets me know what y'all like and don't like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell so you're notified every time that I post a video. Let me know down below what y'all think of this style, and I'll see y'all in the next video.